Here's a old Ford pickup, junkyard 71. Nothing too great on it or about it, other than one thing. I could say two things: it's burnt. But I was looking inside, and this is what I found inside. Those look like Pontiac seats, not Ford seats. I'm pretty sure those are around 65, somewhere in that area. Maybe GTO seats, Tempest, Lemans, something in there. I'm in the process of taking them out, so I don't know how long that's gonna take. This one looks like somebody was doing something to it. It feels like it's mostly there. The backs don't look too bad on it. Even that side, the bottom's getting little roads. I was here yesterday and saw them, but I didn't have enough time to get them out. I was here about 10 minutes before they closed, so I had to come back first thing in the morning to get them. They don't seem to be held in there too good, but I had to go underneath and undo a bolt that's holding it. I don't know what's holding that side for sure, but this side is about out. Loose on the back, one bolt on the front holding it, so see if I can get that loosened up. Get this out of here.